Hi children, welcome to this online classes. In this scenario, you are going to learn about linear equations in two variables by using elimination method how to solve the linear equations. As you know that the general form of a linear equation is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. There are basically three kinds of equations or system of equations. One is dependable equations. Second one is consistent equations. Third one is inconsistent equations. Whatever it may be the kind of equations, how to solve these equations. There are so many methods. Among those, one of the method is elimination method. We are going to learn about elimination method. Before going to learn about elimination method, this is very important when we are going to use the elimination method. That's very important. If the coefficients of either x or y are same or equal, generally we use the elimination method. Different also we can use the elimination method. Here I am taking some examples in various situations how we are going to use the elimination method. In the elimination method, you either add or subtract the equations to get an equation in one variable. When the coefficients of one variable are opposite, you add the equations to eliminate a variable, and when the coefficients of one variable are equal, you subtract the equations to eliminate a variable. Okay, just see this one by using one example. 3y plus 2x equal to 6. 5y minus 2x equal to 10. Okay, you want to solve these two equations by using elimination method. Correct? Here we are using two basic operations, either addition or subtraction. So when you are going to use addition or when you are going to use subtraction, if the coefficients of the variables are equal and with the same sign, means both are positive or both are negative, then we will use the concept subtract. If the coefficients of either x or y are equal with a different sign, means one is positive, other one is negative, or one is negative, other one is positive, then we will use addition. It is clear? Both have the same sign, subtraction. Both have different sign, addition. Clear? So now come to this example. 3y plus 2x equal to 6. 5y minus 2x equal to 10. Here the coefficients of x are equal. One is plus 2, other one is minus 2. Numerically they are equal, but with sign they are in opposite. That is, one is positive, other one is negative. Is it clear? Here generally our children have a small doubt. Generally the equation start with the x. It's a common notion. But here I start the equation with y. What is the reason? Maybe the question arises in the most of the children's mind. Yes, your doubt is correct. But we start any equation with the positive sign. Here the coefficients of x are one is positive, other one is negative. But the coefficients of y both are positive. Instead of x comes first, I started with the y. Is it clear? So generally it's a common notion. Start the equation with a positive sign. For that reason, 3y plus 2x equal to 6 and 5y minus 2x equal to 10. We can eliminate the x variable by addition of the two equations. Very clear. Why? X coefficients are equal with a different sign. Okay. So one is plus 2, other one is minus 2. Clear? Now come to the next one. So 3y plus 2x equal to 6 and 5y minus 2x equal to 10. So first you have to subtract or addition? Which one you are going to support? Addition, correct. So 3y plus 2x equal to 6, 5y minus 2x equal to 10. So 3y plus 5y, that is 8y, plus 2x minus 2x get cancelled. 6 and 10, of course it is 16. So 8y equal to 16 or y equal to 16 by 8. So it gives 2. So the value of y is 2. Substituting y equal to 2 value in any one of the equations as you get. Either 3y plus 2x equal to 6 or 5y minus 2x equal to 10. You will get the value of x. So I am considering here 3y plus 2x equal to 6. What is the value of y here? Y equal to 2. Substitute it. 3 of 2 plus 2x equal to 6. 3 2 is 6. 6 plus 2x equal to 6 or 2x equal to 6 minus 6. That is 2x equal to 0 or x equal to 0. So x equal to 0, y equal to 2 are the roots of the equation. Is it clear? Here generally we observe the term root. Clear? Root. There 0 of the polynomial. Zeros, roots. Generally we use the word 0 for the polynomials and root or solution for the equations. Okay. So like we can solve the simple linear equations by using elimination method. Here I am using one more example to give more clarity about the elimination. If you do not have equations where you can eliminate a variable by addition or subtraction, you can begin by multiplying one or both of the equation with a constant to obtain the equivalent linear system where you can eliminate one of the variables by addition or subtraction. Okay, let's take an example. 3x plus y equal to 9 and 5x plus 4y equal to 22. Here, either x coefficients or y coefficients are not equal. So, addition, subtraction is not possible directly. So, then what you have to do? So, you have to equate the coefficients of either x or y. After that, you have to add or subtract. Okay. So, means here one more step is added to solve the linear equations in the elimination method. When 3x plus y equal to 9, 5x plus 4y equal to 22. So, the one way is equate the coefficients of x or equate the coefficients of y. Which one you are going to support? Okay. So, here I am taking equate the coefficient of y. Okay. So, now I am going to equate the coefficients of y. What is the equation here? 3x plus y equal to 9. I multiplied the total equation with the minus 4 so that the coefficients of y are opposite, which gives minus 12x minus 4y minus 36. The second equation as it is, that is 5x plus 4y equal to 22. Here the y coefficients are equal with opposite sign. Then what you have to do? Simply you have to go for addition. Clear? So you can equate the coefficients of x also, but easiest way is equating the coefficients of y. So how to equate in such case also I will explain with another example. For let's see this example. Okay, minus 12x plus 5x which gives minus 7x, minus 4y and plus 4y both will be cancelled, means y is eliminated here, and minus 36 plus 22 which gives minus 14. So minus 7 is multiplying here. When you send it to other side of the equality, it divides. So x equal to minus 14 by minus 7, where x equal to 2. Substituting x equal to 2 in any one of the equations, then we will get, I want to substitute x equal to 2 in the first equation. What is the first equation? 3x plus y equal to 9. In place of x, we have to write the value 2. 3 2 just 6. 6 plus y equal to 9. So 6 plus y equal to 9 means y equal to 9 minus 6 and y equal to 3. Hence x equal to 2 and y equal to 3 are the roots of the equation. Okay. So once again I am saying the root root of an equation, 0 of the polynomial. So terminology is very, very important. Don't get any kind of confusion. The value which satisfies the equation is called root. The value which satisfies the expression is called 0. That's it. When you consider p of x a polynomial, so if p of x is equal to 0, then x or p of 2 equal to 0, then x equal to 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. Here, when the equation, after solving the equation, you will get the variables values. Those are said to be roots of the equations. Is it clear? Okay. Now come to this example. Solve the following pair of simultaneous linear equations. 2x plus 3y is equal to 8. 3x plus 2y equal to 7. Okay. So here, x coefficients are not same. Y coefficients are not same. So directly addition or subtraction we can't use to get or to eliminate x or y from the equation. Then what you have to do? You have to equate the coefficients of either x or y, anyone. So previously, so one is y, another one is 4y. So we multiply the first equation with 4, then equate both the equations having the same y coefficients. But here it's not like. So the first equation x coefficient is 2 and the second equation x coefficient 3. The first equation y coefficient is 3 and second equation y coefficient is 2. So here what I have to do? I want to equate the coefficient of x. So that's the reason multiply the first equation with the 3, multiply the second equation with 2. What is the reason here? The x coefficient of the second equation is 3. So you have to multiply the first equation, the whole equation with the 3. The coefficient of x in the first equation is 2. So multiply the total equation with 2 for the second equation. When you multiply the first equation with 3, you will get 3 of 2x plus 3y equal to 8. That is 6x plus 9y equal to 24. When you multiply the second equation with 2, it gives 2 of 3x plus 2y equal to 7. That is 6x plus 4y equal to 14. Then x coefficients are same. Correct? Equal and with the same sign. Then what you have to do? We have to subtract. Correct? Both the equations now have the same leading coefficient, that is 6. Then subtract both the equations. I have used a different method because your mathematics you can learn not only in the same way, you can do in a different methods, but finally answer is same. So previously in the example I use a vertical subtraction. Here I am using horizontal subtraction. 6x plus 9y equal to 24 minus 6x plus 4y equal to 14. So 6x minus 6x gives 0. 9y minus 4y gives 5y. 24 minus 14 equal to 10. So 5y equal to 10. So when you solve the new equation for y equal to 10 by 5, which is equal to 2. Now come to the last one, that is substitute y equal to 2 in either equation 1 or equation 2. We will get the value of x. So for example, you want to substitute the value y equal to 2 in the first equation. 2x plus 3y equal to 2. So where y equal to 2? So 2x plus 3 of 2 which equal to 8. 2x plus 6 equal to 8. So 2x equal to 8 minus 6, which is 2x equal to 2. So x equal to 1. So x equal to 1 and y equal to 2 are the solutions of the equation. Correct? Now come to the one more example. Use elimination to solve the system of equations. X minus y equal to minus 6 and x plus y equal to 8. Very fast you have to complete. So which method you are going to use? Addition. What is the reason? Y coefficients are same with opposite sign. So x minus y equal to minus 6, so x plus y equal to 8. When you add it, y will be eliminated. 2x equal to 2, x equal to 1. So when you substitute x equal to 1, so you will get x plus y equal to 8 and y equal to 7. So 1 and 7 are the solutions.